Hi, this is Mark Hockman from PC World. I'm at the Surface launch, and this is the Surface Pro 6. So currently we are on the 9th generation of Surface devices. This is actually the 6th generation of the Surface Pro. As you might imagine, it's called the Surface Pro 6. Now, if you look at it, there's really not a whole lot of difference from the Surface Pro. I mean, if you look at the keyboard, it feels essentially the same. It's got a Surface Pen. The tablet size is, as far as we know, essentially the same. And it's got this lovely kickstand which reclines pretty much all the way, allowing you to work in essentially easel mode. The key, though, is two things. One is, of course, the color. This is the first time we've seen black. Microsoft typically gives you the blue, the red, the gray, and now we've gone to a sort of a back in black theme. The second, of course, is the processor. Microsoft hadn't updated this since June of last year. It's been about 18 months, and now we've got Intel's 8th generation quad-core processors inside. We're talking about 60 to 80% performance improvements. We'd obviously have to put that to the test. Now, there's a lot at this point we don't know. We're hoping to get this information in the near future. We don't know the exact price. We don't know the exact specs. But we do know that it sounds like everything's going to be roughly comparable to the generation before. Up to about 8 gigs of memory, up to about a terabyte of SSD. We do know the basic price. The basic price is going to be $899. It's going to be out October 16th. We are going to put this through a hands-on, as you can imagine, give it through its rundown test. Definitely looking forward to the new generation of the Surface Pro 6, and stay tuned to PC World for more hands-ons. Thank you.